Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes, welcome to another Luck No Skills tutorials. Today we are learning how to make a smelting recipe using MCP with Modloader. Firstly, what you need to do is open up a text editor of choice. You can use EditRocket, Notepad++, TextEdit, or Eclipse. So I'm going to open up EditRocket, and firstly what you need to do is open up a new file and call it mod underscore whatever you want to call your mod. I want to call mine diamond smelting.java, and make sure that you save it in the src with all the .java files. Now in the description of the video there will be a link to a text edit file called Modloader syntax, and you are going to copy everything that's inside that text edit file, and you're going to replace all the stars with what you've called your mod. So I will call mine mod underscore diamond smelting. Make sure capitalization is the same. There's only two areas in which you have to do this. Once you're done with replacing the stars with what you've called this Java file, you go to line 8 and type Modloader capital M and L dot add smelting capital A and capital S opening bracket what you want to smelt, and I want to smelt a block dot dirt, and at the end of any block that you use you go block ID. Now if you were to use a item to smelt, you would go item.diamond or egg dot shifted index. That's what you would type. But in our case we want to smelt a block dot dirt dot block ID. Make sure it's a lowercase b, and then you want to type comma space new item stack opening bracket what you want to result in your smelting recipe. I want item dot diamond. You don't have to type dot shifted index at the end of this, nor dot block index ID, sorry. Then type comma space, and this is how many it's gonna make after you smelt the block dot dirt. So I want 1 diamond for every 1 block of dirt I smelt. Once you've written your value, you want to close it all off with 2 closing brackets and a semicolon. And I'll tell you the reason why we put 2 instead of 1. Because each of these closing brackets are assigned to a opening pair of brackets. So this one, the one I've highlighted now, is assigned to this one, and this one, the second closing bracket, is assigned to the first one you made here, and end it off with a semicolon, and you were done. So just save it and minimize your text editor, change the directory and direct your MCP folder in, type bash recompile.sh. Hopefully we get no errors. Cool, no errors. So we type bash start client.sh. And I'm going to make a new world and make a furnace, and I'll be right back. Hello guys, welcome back. So far I've just built myself a little house, and I've got a furnace, and I've got my fuel. Put it in the fuel section of the furnace, and I put my dirt, which is what I said was going to be my smelting block thing. So put that in. It's burning, which is a good sign, and it should make us some diamonds. Yay! Diamonds. Okay, sweet, it worked. So, I hope this tutorial helps you. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any errors, I'll be more than happy to look at them and try to fix them. Happy modding.